I've been in the industry around about 20 years. I've seen a lot of changes. These have come in, made life a lot easier. I wouldn't be in the industry now if we were doing it the old way. It'd be just too hard on the body. This has made life easy. To put 400 tubes out compared to the old way when we used to do it in trays, we'd have it done in half the time with the tubes.
Looking for fat coverage across the gonad and the mantle. You're looking for good shape and shell, which these are, and good meat to shell ratio. So when the oyster sits in the half shell, it presents really well.
SEAPA is always looking at what's next, how to make it better. The early products that went into the market were basically made for people to use in estuaries and in very, very calm conditions. And over time, the farmers have basically pushed us to make stronger and stronger components. Some of the early stuff is still out there and it's been out there for a long, long time, but now they're really pushing the boundaries on where they go farming, and it's pushing the boundaries on our products. We had a group of farmers. They had an extremely rough piece of water with specific challenges just to that area. So we went down and we spent 3 days with them, sitting down, talking to them, going out and seeing the site, and basically we worked through what it is exactly that they wanted.
We started off very early on using big broad oyster trays, which just didn't last. They broke in no time. So we started using SEAPA cylinders stacked together, encasing them in stainless steel. It was just something born of necessity, and it's worked really, really well ever since. SEAPA themselves have really taken on some of the more sort of design after what I've been doing, and some of the stuff that's coming back from the factory in South Australia is really good. I'm very, very confident that they have taken it the step past where I was able to.
When a farmer comes up with a new idea or some advice for us, we're always taking that on board. What they like, what they don't like, to then progress our product range.
So there's not much wear on that, really, is there?
No, and I've been saying to Alex that we've had this line loaded up all the time, and that's the worst line on the lease. So it's had a fair flogging, and I'm really impressed with the wear on that.
So we have to try and collate everything we understand into one coherent idea. We then modify it and work with them to get an outcome for the customer where we can make a tool that's going to last a lot longer.
How you been finding the storm breakers all right?
Yeah, we'll go out and have a look at the storm breaker system today. Obviously we've been working on that for 2 years now, so far so good as far as the system goes, but what it's doing to the stock's excellent.
The storm breaker baskets only come off if you want them to come off, so your basket can't migrate up and down the line, it just stays in one place and you get that rumbling effect. So we've had input there in terms of what we need to make our gear stay on the line basically.
You're looking at everything, the shape of the basket, the volume of the basket, the clips and the line, the clips hold them onto the posts.
Here at SEAPA's facility in South Australia, we manufacture a wide selection of farming systems including intertidal, subtidal and floating to help cater to varying local conditions throughout the industry globally. We have clients in markets including North America, Europe and Asia. Our approach is very holistic because our involvement doesn't stop at design. We have direct control over the whole manufacturing process, including the testing and selection of materials. It's this sort of attention to detail at every stage of production that enhances the quality and durability of what we make. We have clients today operating efficient, productive farms using original SEAPA products created way back in 1998. Innovation is central to what we do.
One of the exciting things that we're working on is to use additive manufacturing to manufacture the injection moulds. In the future, it's going to be very possible to actually do one-off solutions just for farmers.
Working in collaboration with SEAPA to develop new products that really suit our needs has been quite important. We're nothing without the water and the infrastructure that we have on it.